Okay, so now we move to the next tool, Spaceclaim, to generate the geometry. So again, just drag and drop there, you put your geometry, select the Spaceclaim, and we're going to do pretty much the same that we did here. Spaceclaim, probably you have the idea, no, the impression that is much easier than design modeler. Okay, so the steps are pretty much the same. It will be much faster. So again, you will create the body of influence, everything in the same way of in design modeler. Nothing changes, but it changes the tool that you are using basically. So I go back to my here, okay, escape. And now I want to sketch. So there are sketch mode, you choose your plane. So I like to do 2D in this plane, normal to screen. And let's draw the geometry. So first we have the circle, I want it center, okay. There we can put there. So we can add dimensions. So let's put everything here. Okay, so it's using millimeters. Okay, so let's put, okay, okay, so now let me add the external box here. Again, you can add your dimension from here to here. Okay, so now, okay, from here to here, but select with control, okay. So that one will be 10,000. Okay, let me go back. So see that if you put here 10,000, it will move, the other one will move, okay, will move to the bottom because you need to fix the other dimension. So it's like in the same modeler that I told you. First, fix all dimensions, okay, and then you can put the numbers here. So now here you see that it's not moving because this is fixed. Okay, so be careful when adding dimensions. It's always good idea to first fix everything and then add dimensions. So there you put this one, and there put this one. Okay, this 10,000. So see here that now I'm creating everything in one step. You can do it also in the same way as we did in design modeler. First create a surface from this one and then the circle, but Spaceclaim is more flexible, okay? So because when I go out here, okay, Spaceclaim will give me this, okay? So see that I can select this one and you erase it, so you don't need to do the boolean, okay? So this is an extra flexibility that Spaceclaim is giving you. So see that you have your domain there, and now you can just create the body of influence. So let me create it here. And again, it is pretty much the same. You put your box there, and then I start to add dimensions. Okay, so I want from here to here, from here to here. And okay, so I see that it was sketching outside the origin. It's not a big deal. Let me add construction line here. Okay, and let me put dimension from here to here. Okay, so this is 4,000, 4,000, 4,000. Okay, so you have that, and this is all. Okay, so as you go here into structure, see that you have surface one. You can rename it. So I will call it domain. So this is the domain that you're going to see in Fluent and meshing stage, and this is, I would call it also boy. Okay, so see that you hide this one, you have that one, and then the whole stuff. So when we go to the meshing stage, we're going to pass these two surfaces, okay, and then there is an option to say that this will be used to project the mesh in the other. Two things to mention, but remember I put this one out of the center, it doesn't matter. But let me create here also the solid. So see that we have the surfaces here. Okay, so let me close it here. So let's work this one, the 2D. Okay, then I show you the option for the 3D. So this is all when it comes. Remember also in groups, here you can add the boundary conditions as you want. You select the edge and put, or you do it directly in the meshing stage. Okay, as I mentioned, I like to do it at the meshing, but it does not make any difference, honestly. So at this point, we're done here, and let me Okay, let me save. And then let's move to the next video. That in the next video, we're going to take this one and do the extrusion to work in 3D, okay? So that's all for this video. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Bye.